just sued by a pickle. Okay, maybe they weren't sued by a pickle, but they were sued by the Portland Pickles. This is a summer baseball team that has its name, the Pickles, as well as its mascot, Dylan Pickle, registered with the United States Patent and Trademark Office as a federally protected trademark. Earlier this year, Disney via Pixar launched its first streaming series called Win or Lose. It's about a softball team called the Pickles, and the Portland Pickles are naturally pretty upset. They said that Disney already knew about them and they decided to use the name Pickles for the softball team, regardless as to whether or not the Portland Pickles owned the trademark. The baseball team filed a federal lawsuit May 7th, alleging unspecified damages and saying that Disney's use of the name Pickles in their streaming series Win or Lose was causing dilution to the mark because the Portland Pickles have become very well known for their antics. Dylan, their mascot, is also very well known, and it is going to create a lot of consumer confusion as well as undermine the already existing value in the brand. In addition to unspecified damages, the baseball team is also asking that a court enjoin Disney from using the name Pickles in connection with the fictional softball team. This is an interesting case because the Portland Pickles are alleging intentional infringement, meaning they think that Disney knew about their mascot and their registration before they decided to pick the name, thereby making their infringement willful. This opens Disney up to potentially more damages. Sometimes they're called treble damages or enhanced damages in trademark infringement cases. The attorneys representing the baseball team say that Disney is using its outsized market power in order to appropriate a brand that was already taken. Meaning Disney's so big, they didn't really care that there was this other brand that already had recognition and that was already protected. They're Disney, so they're going to do whatever the F they want. Not only that, but Disney has also begun to sell merchandise featuring the Peaks Valley Pickles mascot on their own stuff. So that's creating additional consumer confusion because obviously the Portland Pickles also has their own, swag, shirts, hats, whatever. So the Portland Pickles are arguing, well, this is even further evidence of potential confusion in the marketplace. What do you think? Is Disney justified or have they just gotten themselves into a big pickle? Follow for more and let me know if you have any questions.